everyone, welcome. So I've been decluttering my bedroom using the KonMarie method. Now her method is only keep things that spark joy. So as I was going through my closet, which clothes still had tags on them, does anyone else have that issue too? So it was a little bit of process. Now keep watching and I'll show you how I did this process. The Marie Kondo method recommends you take everything out and pile it on your bed. So I emptied all my clothes from both closets, then I removed everything inside my dresser drawers. The whole process was very overwhelming, but hey, I knew there was a reward at the end. I separated all my clothes, from sweaters to pants to dresses to skirts. Just made it a little bit more easier for me. Now just giving my clothes a little TLC before I keep them or say goodbye. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in this video. Also, please subscribe to my channel and I would love to hear your comments. So please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.